Now, I've got to give you some random facts about the Grand Finals. For this year alone, this event has been anywhere between 12 to 14 months worth of planning. 21 trucks filled with equipment came here to Sarno for this event. 50 employees from Rotax are actually operating here directly at the circuit, which includes race control, stewarding, our commentator Mr. Henry Baudet, and so many others. 150 Rotax employees are actually involved in the organisation of this event. In terms of the Mojo tyres that are being used, 1,200 sets are pretty much used throughout the week. Up to 3,500 people, that includes everyone here within the tents. You've got Colombia, Italy, Australia, New Zealand. You can see the older Skippy the kangaroo's definitely on the flags there. Along with that, you've also got 8,800 litres worth of fuel are burnt up throughout the week. That's just some of the other things, but there's also some other bits of trivia that we need to get onto, and it comes onto the Rotax Max Challenge Grand Finals Hall of Fame. Now this is the 4th time that Italy has hosted the Grand Finals. Twice at La Conca, twice here at Sarno, the first being in 2016. Now Italy's hosted it 4 times, makes it equal with Portugal, which is 2 of the 9 respective countries that have hosted the Grand Finals. And when it all started back in 2000 in Puerto Rico, and then ended up in Malaysia the following year. UAE is also on the list, the USA, and quite recently, of course, South America, where we had Brazil last year. So 77 titles up until this point have been decided. 63 different winners, the most successful being Cristiano Morgado from South Africa with a total of 5 to his credit. Now there's some names that you might be familiar with within higher realms of motorsport. Let's take some names, for instance. Daryl Smith from Rotax, yep, he won it back in 2001, and since then he's been behind, you know, the technical assistance, but also been a test driver for Rotax as well. Other drivers including GP2 star, who we all really wish the very best in his recovery and rehab after the very devastating accident that took the life of Antoine Hubert. Juan Manuel Correa from the US, he won in 2013 as a junior. Mark Kimber from the United Kingdom has won this. Charlie Eastwood from Ireland. Yuri Vips from Estonia is a Red Bull junior driver, making hay in the FIA Formula 3 Championship this season. Martin Crump, he's been racing over in Asia, most specifically in terms of the Audi Sports realm over there. I've known he's raced with Paul Lip and KCMG, based out of Hong Kong. Jorrit Pex, one of 2 different Belgian winners here at the Grand Finals. Jorrit won it in 2006, then Christoph Adams, our longest serving Rotax Max Grand finalist, 14 times this year here in Sarno. He won the in DD2 Masters back in 2007, and a class that's no longer running at the Grand Finals, Max Masters, which was the title, funnily enough, that Daryl Smith won in 2001. So there we are, some random facts about the Grand Finals. Today is Friday the 25th of October. It's the day before the big Grand Finals themselves. The air is filled with anticipation. People are still smiling at the moment. There are some people that I've spoken to, Jaden Thien, Bradley Barrett, as well Maxi Fleischmann, Michael Becker, to name but a few of the 360 drivers here at Circuito Internazionale Napoli in Sarno, southern Italy. There you go, random facts about the Grand Finals. As the amount of people here, you know, nigh on 60 different nations. What a colourful ambience we have here in Italy.